Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. So today we are going to unbox my ring light. I've been wanting to buy this one because everybody have one, so why not invest for something that you've been wanting to. I mean, it's not like it's really expensive, but I just thought I didn't want it, but then hey, try it anyway. So here we go. Got this from Amazon Prime. I ordered it on the same day, and I got it actually my other merchandise, I got it on the same day, but this one I got it first thing in the morning, so still not complaining. I think Amazon Prime is only like $12 or $10, and you can cancel it. You can cancel it anytime. It used to be $100, but hey, you don't need it. I don't really order that much Amazon. Okay, so here we go. Big box. It has a remote control, so that what makes me want to get it. I can use this for my merchandise that I'm gonna ship, so we're gonna put that aside. But pretty much we don't need the big box. It comes in a small box. It comes with this box right here. It's a Rovtop 10.2 inches ring light. So let's unbox it. What do we have here again? Oh, this is the free Amazon gift card. Hey! I have $10, so I can go back to get some more stuff. Oh, within the next 3 days, so I have to spend this within the next 3 days. So I have $10. This is how they get you, so you can spend more money. But anyway, $10, not bad. Just the remote, parts. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but we'll see. I have so many boxes in here that I need to get rid of. I'm hoping this is a very easy, unboxing. Stand. I'm going to show you all the components, all the little comes with the stand, and I suppose this is the support, and then this is the little clamp for your phone or whatever you have. It's the little nubby lip that goes in here. I don't really like reading the instructions. I like to figure it out. So my next unboxing will be bigger than this. No, it doesn't go though. Maybe it does. Okay, well, we'll wait. Oh no, it doesn't go though. Okay, so this is the ring. Come and call me hello, 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 hello. Okay, so this goes here. Oh no, I am wrong again. Nope. Huh. It looks like I need instructions after all, but it doesn't have instructions. Does it come with instructions? No, it doesn't come with instructions. Or it does come with little illustration. This goes in here. In here. That goes in there. This. Yeah. You insert that little thingy. This little, you know, metal. It is a metal, so it's not plasticky. So it is. Here you go. Ooh, cool. Here you go. Yo, and this one right here, you're gonna make it a little bit, you know, because it's kind of, you know, leaning towards, you know, the south or the west. There you go. You go, you go. Hello, hi. 10 inches. Ooh. Okay. And then we're gonna put this right here. I believe that goes right here. And this one right here goes in here. Okay. Yo. You know what? Let me put this right here before I accidentally, you know, drop it. I'm just gonna leave. So right here. It is too small. I can't read the instructions, so, and maybe I should turn the lights on. So to avoid low temperature and wet. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna, you know, undo this. So this little, you know, little bowly thingy-majiggy, you know, would fit. Here you go. And then we can put this inside. And here you go. See, that was easy. It was not hard at all. Not hard at all. So, this right here goes here. This looks a little big. Am I doing this right? I'm not convinced of this one. Ow, ow, that hurts. Okay, so I can't do anything right now because I'm using my cell phone right now. We're gonna play with this and then I'm gonna show you the actual, you know, I like this, and this right here, you put it in a plug. This is the control. So I'm gonna come back in a few minutes. So I'm gonna, you know, unplug, and I'm gonna unplug, you know, my cell phone, and I'm gonna put it here, and we'll figure out how we can, you know, how this thing works. But I do like it. It's pretty big. But if this is going to be, you know, the cell phone right here, so I don't know how am I gonna do this, you know, on landscape. So I'm pretty sure there's a way how to do that. By doing that, you have to read the instructions. Okay, so I'll be right back. So I think I figured it out. It is this right here, this little cord right here. It is bendable, as you can see right here. So, and then you put your cell phone right here and make this, you know, make it open it a little wider. It's adjustable. Oh, it is recording. It's working. I do like it. So far, it is working. So as you can see, my camera that is I'm taking, the video right now is on my AOS Canon, and it's like that. A little messy. Okay, yes, I do like it so far. I would give it a thumbs up. This ring light is actually very affordable, and so if you're doing your talking right now, as you can see, you just have to. You don't have to do anything. It is cool. I like it. I do like it. So I would probably give it, a good review on Amazon. I like this ring light. We don't need an expensive ring light because we are not professional. So here we go. Yes, I'm talking to myself right here. Okay, let's turn it off.